Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue building the 3RACING M4 Sport Kit, and we're going to be working on section 6, the front and rear shock tower assembly. So let's jump right into it. I have the leftover parts trees from bag 3, and I'm going to be using bag 4 today. Let's jump into it, and we're going to grab this side right here. There is a chamfer to recess the screw, so this is the side that we want to be looking at. And then we need to grab two M3 6mm. They are not flatheads, button heads, so 6mm should be this one. Yep. Okay, I need two of those. That looks like another one right there. So those are it. And we need two ball hexes. This and that. And it's going to go on the top hole like that. There we go. So make sure the ball stud is on the same side as the recessed side. Now we need to get the bulkhead cover B, which is going to be one of these right here. And let's see which one is B. So these are opposites. So this one is going to be this one right here. And that is going to be either one of these. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to put the ball stud in here. And then we need to put this on like that with two flathead screws. They're 8mm. So let's find those. I think that is one. And that looks like another. Okay, so now we have this side right here. Let's build the other side. So it's going to be those two right there. Same thing. Let's put the ball stud in. And since we're building the opposite, well, building this side now, we need to make sure that it's on the correct side, which is the opposite. And we need to find a couple more screws. Okay, and those are the two sides. So that's this side and this is this side. And now we're going to find the post. And let's make sure these two are the same. Yep. Okay, so that's that, and it's the same screw as the 8mm screw. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to install this onto there like that. So we just need two more of those flathead screws. So there's one, and there's another, and it's just right here onto there. All right, so we're done. This is the front shock tower. and it should look like this. And here is the rear tower, and basically the same thing. We're gonna need these on this side. We're gonna need the button screws, and it's gonna be the third hole this time. And let me just take a look at this. So this side has the inset, so this is going to be the side that faces out that way. So we're going to put the screws in this way, and it's going to be the third hole from the outside. This is the outside, so it's going to be this hole right here on this side. And now same thing, we're going to need these and this. So let's work on this one right here. Same thing, ball stud. Okay, and we're going to put this here and use more of those screws. Done with this side. Let's grab the other pieces. Same thing. These are both done, so need to put it like that and use that post again. Grab a couple more screws. And now we're going to mount the shock tower. It's going to be these two holes and those two holes. Same kind of screws. Okay, and this is what the rear tower will look like. Very cool. So we're ready to put them on. So here is the chassis. This is the back side. This is the front side. So we're going to set the rear, put the studs facing the back of the car, and they're going to go right here, I believe. It's going to go right here. So these 4 holes line up with these 4 holes. And it's just going to be the 8mm. So we have to be a little bit careful to use the correct screws. So it's going to be the slightly longer ones. And then the front, I'll just leave it like this. And the front, the studs are also going to face forward, and these 4 holes are going to line up with these 4. And we're still using the longer screws. Okay, and now we're going to put the top deck on. And then here, I think this is going to face the back to accommodate the sport gear. So I doubt this would be on top of the belt. I assume it's going to be under the belt. So it's going to be like that. And we just need to use 8 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. This top deck really stiffens the chassis. It's feeling really good. Okay, we're done. I think this is the last step we're going to do today. Next page, the next video is going to be the sway bars, stabilizer bars. So that's it for today's video. We installed the front and rear shock towers and the top deck. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.